Do you want to learn how to do your own marketing for your business? If you own a micro or small business and you want to learn to do your marketing, then guess what? Keep watching. I have created a DIY digital marketing online course just for you. So, who's it for? It's ideal for micro or small business owners that have little to no marketing budget, but need to set up your marketing foundations and also want to learn while you're doing it. And you want to do it at your own pace and in your own time. So, what exactly is it? My DIY digital marketing course is a step-by-step online program that will enable you to set up your marketing to get consistent new business leads for your business. Each module explains why, how, when, where, plus the tools you need to set it up, and you're going to get downloadable checklists and videos that show you how to do it. Unlike many online courses, this is simple to follow and uses a simple marketing blueprint that explains what you need without terrifying tech terms or complicated systems. Plus, you don't need to be tech savvy because I use very simple tools and show you how to set it all up. So modules are shared every week and include everything from creating your strategy to how to choose the channels you need, social media and content tips, setting up simple automation and actually getting stuff done. What is even better is that you can choose from 3 different payment options, including an option that allows you to gift the program to a business who works in travel, hospitality or retail. How do clients find you unless you make it easy for them to find and buy from you? Doing this course will teach you a life skill that you can use for every business, role or project you work on. Invest in your self-development on the link below.